Hey there, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're tackling a scenario that no one wants to face but could happen to anyone. What to do when your friend knocks off their teeth. It's a situation that can be both shocking and confusing, but fear not. We've got a step-by-step guide to walk you through what you should do. Whether you're a student, a concerned friend, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for an unexpected dental emergency, stay tuned for some essential tips. Let's start this video right away. Imagine you're hanging out with friends at a park, playing a lively game, and suddenly one of them takes a fall, and their teeth go flying. It's an alarming situation, and your natural reaction might be panic. However, it's crucial to stay calm. First, ensure their safety and assess the extent of the injury. If there's any bleeding, ask them to rinse their mouth gently with water. Moving swiftly and calmly is key here. Let's move on to the next step. If the tooth is completely knocked out, time is of the essence. Encourage your friend to pick up the tooth by the crown, that's the chewing surface, and avoid touching the root. If the tooth is dirty, they can rinse it with milk or saline solution gently. But what is a saline solution? And why is it essential not to use water? Saline solution is a mixture of salt and water that is commonly used in medical settings as a sterile solution, and you can buy this in drugstores. It helps maintain the tooth's moisture and viability. Unlike water, saline solution or milk will not cause damage to the root cells, which is vital for reimplantation. To store the tooth in saline, place it in a small container or cup filled with the solution. Ensure the tooth is fully submerged in the saline solution. This will help prevent the tooth from drying out and increase the chances of successful reattachment. Whether stored in milk or saline solution, it's essential to head straight to a dentist or an emergency room as quickly as possible to maximize the chances of successful reimplantation. The quicker you act, the better the chances of saving the tooth. Your friend might be in pain and experiencing swelling. Applying a cold compress to the area can help reduce swelling and alleviate discomfort. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen can also provide some relief. However, seeking professional help is essential even if the pain subsides. In conclusion, being knowledgeable and prepared for dental emergencies can make a significant difference in an otherwise stressful situation. There you have it, folks. A basic guide on what to do if your friend knocks off or breaks their teeth. Accidents happen, but knowing what to do can make all the difference. Share this video with your friends because you never know when this knowledge might come in handy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more dental tips and tricks.
Under my skin, I feel like a god, ain't no stopping me. I got that fire in my blood. Under my skin, I went through the flames and they set me free.